Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with the second part of the midnight visitor. Okay, so we have come to know that when Fowler and O'Sabel entered into the room, there was a man standing in the middle of the room with a gun pointing towards them. Now he demanded something. Max demanded a particular report pertaining to missiles forcefully from O'Sabel. With gunpoint, he wants to have those important documents. O'Sabel sat on an armchair and said that for the second time in a month, somebody had got into his room through the balcony. Instead of being afraid because a gun has been pointed towards them, O'Sabel very calmly sat on the chair and expressed his anger, his displeasure that why he has entered into his room through the balcony. O'Sabel expressed his anger for using that balcony which belonged to the next apartment. He says that balcony which you have entered from does not belong to me. Why have you come from that balcony? Max told him he had not used the balcony but a pass key. Now Max has given his clarification by telling him that he has entered into the room by using a pass key. Pass key is a master key with which any lock can be opened, and waved the gun at Fowler with a commanding gesture. He waved the gun towards Fowler by, in a way he was trying to threaten him. Fowler jumped. Now Fowler, in the room there was a gun which was pointed towards him, and there was a knock at the door. Both these things scare Fowler so much that he jumped, because there was a knock at the door which was unexpected. When all this incident was taking place in the room, there was a knock at the door. O'Sabel said smilingly that must be police, because important papers should have a little extra protection. O'Sabel is now very smilingly telling this that must be police, because I have called the police because of the important documents. Someone